Good morning, everyone. So, in the last class, what did we learn? Last class, search campaign. We launched the search campaign, right? So, are you all aware of it? How to do clear with it? No? Give me 1 minute. Let's see if there are any online joiners. Can you hear me?
Hi, sir.
Hi, hi. Okay, so we'll continue with the topics which we were discussing in the last class. Yeah. So, in the last class, we learned how to launch a search campaign. Do you all remember what all is needed to launch a search campaign? Huh? Okay. See, to launch a search campaign, the first thing you need is keywords. You have to understand for which product or service you have to be bidding. Yeah. So first thing is keywords, negatives. Okay. See, even before this, I will write finalize the product or service for which you should be showing the ads and attracting the traffic. Okay, this is the first thing. So I will finalize the service as hair transplantation. Okay, so I'll finalize the service as hair transplantation. I'm going to finalize the service as hair transplantation. This is the first step, right? This will be, and in the first step we finalized hair transplantation service, correct? So I'm reading again, finalize the product or service for which you should be showing the ads and attracting the traffic. Okay, the service that we have finalized is hair transplantation, correct? Next is keywords. Keywords and the match type you should be bidding on, right? Keywords are now hair transplantation clinic, clinic, hair transplantation treatment, hair transplantation hospital. People search like this also. Okay, hair transplantation doctor, hair transplantation expert or specialist. Are you all understanding it? Now, if I am bidding all of this like this, it would show ads for irrelevant terms as well. So what I will do is I will just go with the phrase match. Okay, so I could have done exact like this also, but if I do, it ranks only for hair transplantation clinic. But if I intend to show for hair transplantation clinic near me in Bangalore, in Mysore, in Delhi, in Pune, I won't be. I may have to input lot of other keywords, right? So we know there are too many unknown searches with very less volume. We will be missing out on all that market. So I don't suggest to bid on exact match. Even if you want to bid exact match, add all of them in the exacts and also in the phrase match. Better add it in the phrase match. Now it takes as a competition. Okay. So now these are your keywords. Correct. Meanwhile, you have to also consider adding negatives. Negatives at the account level only if you are running multiple campaigns, or negatives at the campaign and ad group level based on the structure of your accounts. Okay, so in this case let's assume we are launching only. Okay, we don't have to assume and all. Okay, let me start with this. Okay, so we can add account level negatives. Account level, what can be account level negatives for clinic? Equipment, right? Videos, YouTube, correct? Studies, books, what else? Career, people will be searching how is hair transplantation career, or maybe cardition ka, jobs. You can keep on thinking this way. You might see, right? We don't want to show for mission process. See, process to an extent it's relevant. People must be searching hair transplantation process. Post that they would come and opt service from you. But anyways, it takes time. Do not bid on such keywords. Process, then healing, cure, maybe something we don't know. We can never think of these terms. Tablets, correct? Follicle, people will be searching what is follicle, or maybe we'll add what, why, when, how. See, all this, make sure that you have to add them negatives in the phrase. Okay, right? See, if you're not adding this, hair transplantation equipment, maybe let's assume you are bidding on just, if you're bidding on this, you don't have to bid on all of these keywords also. This keyword takes care of triggering for all of these as well, correct? If you're bidding on this first keyword, you don't have to add these many keywords, right? Because after transplantation, clinic is there, treatment is there, hospital, doctor, specialist, everything is there, correct? So you can very well eliminate this. Maybe. Okay, so something like this. You all got it right. Next, add copies. Add copies, heading tags up to 4 to 5. Each has to be within 30 characters. Is it 30 or 25? 30 characters, right? Do not use special characters. Do not use too many capital letters or words. Do not use the words that are considered policy violation. These are guidelines for ad copies. So the ad that you show on Google. This is ad copy. Put complete whatever you are showing here completely, whatever you are showing here, whatever you are showing here, all of this, including this image, everything is put together called as ad copy. Okay. So ad copy has multiple components. Okay, let me write that explanation here. Okay, where am I typing ad copy, right? Yeah, ad copies. So ad copies are the text ads shown to people on Google search against their queries or keywords. Okay, so the ad copy has multiple components such as headlines. These are all headlines. This is not heading tags. Descriptions, the character count, the permitted character count is up to 90 characters. Okay, you need to have at least how many? I'll write 3 to 4 descriptions. Okay, so the ad copies will be a combination of headings and the descriptions. Each ad copy will be formed with at least two, not with at least, with formed with two headlines and two descriptions. Okay, two headlines and two descriptions. Next comes use here in the guidelines, use appropriate punctuations. Okay. Then comes punctuations, use at least one call to action such as register now, book now, book an appointment, etc. Okay, then comes your call out statements, right? Up to 25 characters, right? Any statement that helps the user to make the positive decision or take a call about the next step is a call out statement. Okay, call out statements are usually the product USPs or the unique value of the unique offering of the product or service. You can add multiple call out statements. Google prefers to Google decides the ad copy. The ad copy decides which one to be served along with the ad based on the end user query, browsing history, etc. Okay, example of call out statements. Avail up to 90% discounts, 100% placement assured, 100% or 10 years warranty. Okay, 100%, something like this. No need to charge battery. Okay, okay, then comes site links. See, your ad copy has these many things. Okay, are the links to other web pages which are displayed below your main ad. You can add as many site links as possible. The ad copy decides which one to be shown to the user based on the end user query, browsing history, etc. Okay, the site links as an headline, under headline, description, under destination URL. The destination URL has to be different from that of the main ad copy URL. Every site link text and the destination URL has to be different from every other URL in the ad copy and site links. Getting it, guys? Understanding it? Site links are the links to other web pages which are displayed below your main ad. Okay, I'll show it to you. These are site links. These are site links. But when it comes to ads, for ads also you will get to see the site links. Other links, apart from the main ad, you see so many other links, right? For ads also you will see many site links. I will show you. These are site links. These are site links. These are site links. You understood what are site links? Absolutely free. Why free? It's not free. You come. You come. I know how to sell. Both are different, right? But they are showing before after. Here no mustache and here mustache. Nose is different, clearly visible. Nose is different. Nobody prefers to come and speak. I had no hair. I got hair. Correct. Nobody wants to share the before photo. Okay. Anyways, you understood what are site links now. Correct. Right. And add various other ad extensions such as ratings and reviews, maps, location, call extension, price offer extension. What else? What else? What else? What else? That's a couple of other extensions along with your ad copy. Okay. Then what is needed apart from this? Understanding on the targeting, right? Targeting, location target, right? Then campaign type, campaign type, search, campaign objective, campaign type, campaign type, objective is first, campaign objective. Always go with traffic or visits to website. Okay, don't opt for other objectives such as leads, conversions, etc. as much possible. Okay, type, campaign type, always go with the campaign type, pick the one that shows your business objective such as search, display, right, promotions, etc. Okay, if you are opting for a push campaign intended to show ads only on Google search, always pick the Google search partners and uncheck the search Google network and the display network, Google search network. Okay. Understanding on the CPCs so that you can set the maximum CPC. To launch one search campaign, you need all of these details. What is needed to launch a Google search campaign? Okay, this much is needed. Coming back, notes. So now you understood all of that is needed, and how to launch a campaign on Google is something which I have already shown. So I want each of you to start an account, Google Ad account, and launch a campaign on your own using this data. I am anyways adding the data here for your reference. Since I have already shown, I want you all to try out once before you realize, sorry, before you come back to me, you have to realize if you are really capable of launching it independently or not, or if you have any questions, or if you're going to get stuck anywhere. So based on that, I'll be helping you out further about the next steps. All online joinees, are you all understanding it? I don't know if you were part of the previous classes when we were launching the search campaign. Okay, so you have everything clearly. This is number 2, this is number 3, and then number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, page number 200. If you would like to launch a search campaign, you can go through all of these things once. Okay, the final outcome I'll show you how it looks like. Hello, hello. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Which course are you looking for? Okay. So we are a Bangalore-based company, yeah, but then we are delivering this course across the globe, any part of the country. Okay. So and then 99% of the time this will be a virtual training, online interactive training, because the working professionals conduct this course. Okay. You won't get this offline. No, no, even if there is an institute in Hyderabad, it's very difficult for you to find the offline batches. It's very unlike to digital marketing or any other languages, because this platform access is super difficult. Okay, so that being the reason, it will be mostly virtual training. We are delivering already the virtual trainings. We have one of the best trainers, around 13, 15 years of experience in the domain, a working professional working at one of the biggest MNCs. So in terms of knowledge imparting, you will get the best, whether that's online or offline, that doesn't matter. Main here is the core of the domain, mentoring people to grab the job or fill the gap whatsoever. Like few people come. So for this course, internship is not available. Yeah. So that's a generic statement that's put on the website, I guess. Yeah. Fee is 35,000 rupees. That's yes. Duration will be at least 2 months. Yes, at least. Yeah. You're good in place? Okay. So I'll do one thing right now in the class. So I'll ask you to send you the complete details about the course, so you can take a look at it. We have a batch in the next week probably. Yeah. So post that will connect back again. Yeah. Is that fine? Oh. Yeah. So you got it right. What all is needed? Okay. So I will paste an example of search copy. How a search copy looks like. Okay. So this is one of the best example for you. Yeah. Image extension, I missed to add that in the various site extensions I have put, right. I'll put that here. So here, image extension. Okay. So this is how your ad copy looks like. You do so much. See, but then this doesn't contain phone extension. Okay, phone extension usually will be displayed on mobile. Okay, so what I'll show you. Small extension usually displayed on mobile devices. Okay. Okay. Note your ad copy might have multiple components, but then it's not 100% assured that every single piece of information is displayed, right. the Google algorithm decides what to be shown to the end user based on its functional parameters consideration. Okay. Okay. Okay, so we have discussed this as well, adding the account negatives at the account level. So there is a screenshot as well. How do we do that? Campaign level negatives, ad group level negatives. We did some activity last time. I don't know how many of you remember that. This one also we have done it already. This exercise. See now, just launching a campaign is not going to benefit you or not going to doesn't assure you the business until unless you also work on certain things. So, for example, look at this. What have you written? Understand the technical aspects of your website are in place. Make sure that the forms or the payment gateways are working properly. Website is not at all loading properly, and if you're doing ads, how will you get the outcome? Correct. Make sure the web pages load quickly, they are user friendly and compatible on all devices. You're getting traffic from mobiles, tablets, and that to mobiles you're getting more traffic from iPhones, Samsung phones, phones, these phones. There are hundreds of brands, right? But your website is functioning only on some websites, some mobile phones, and on some other mobile phones it's not responsive. It's not compatible with some other devices. So people visiting from those devices will not be able to place a lead or purchase from your website. In those cases also you will not get anything out of your paid campaigns. Correct? Let's assume you are the best digital marketer. See, just by learning the skill of launching a paid campaign, you are not going to become the best digital marketer until and unless you really understand what matters. So, understanding all these external factors, like is the device, is the website responsive or not, right? A lot of things, not just that CPCs, conversion rate, industry competition, industry standards, various things. See, for certain businesses, you cannot see you are selling this at 10 rupees and each click is costing 10 rupees. Correct? You are selling this at 100 rupees, each click is costing 5 rupees. To get one sale, you need 10 clicks, or maybe even if you get 10 clicks, it's costing you 50 rupees. And this product is 100 rupees. If you are selling this 100 rupees product even at 30% margins, you'll be making only 30 rupees. But then 50 rupees is already gone. Correct? Right? So you have to understand how all this work. Right? Make sure the product or service offering has competitive advantage over other players in the industry. Everybody are doing hair transplantation at 40,000 rupees and you cannot sell it at 3 lakhs now. And you have put the price as 3 lakhs on your website and you are shouting on digital marketer that you are not getting any business to me. How will he get when the complete the world is selling it at 50,000 rupees and you are selling it at 5 lakh rupees? There were days people would have sold it at 5 lakhs also. Correct. There were days gold you would have got it at just 10,000 rupees also. Today it's 1 lakh for 10 grams. Correct. 1 gram is 10,000 rupees. And for the 10,000 rupees, there were days you would have got 10 grams. So things change. So you have to understand. Appealing UI or UX and the professional design is a must to reap the benefits of the conversion rates and return on the investment. Make sure that there are selling and marketing elements on your web page. We have always discussed about the selling and marketing elements. There is a huge difference between two salespeople. Correct? We took the example of two different salespeople, how they sell. How one is going to sell very effectively, and another one is not that effective. Your web pages can also be like an ineffective salesperson. Correct? You have to make sure that it's an effective salesperson. Your web pages are eliminating the human intervention, and they are selling your product or service to the people, right? Hence you have to make sure that it has all marketing and selling elements. Correct? Understand which demographics work better for the product or service. You are showing ads in a place where no one are bald. When they search hair transplantation, probably they must be researching, or they are researching, or they are searching, or whatsoever it is. Nobody are bothered about their hair loss. You are promoting pull campaigns, you are promoting pull marketing, you are promoting through pull marketing. You don't have to. So there could be hundreds of bald people, but they're least bothered. There's no point of you showing a Facebook ad or a display ad everywhere in those regions. Grow your hair, get your hair correct. So you have to show it to people who are very much bothered. Correct? So understand which demographics work better for the product or service. Right? Make sure the tracking pixels are all in place and ensure that they all track properly. They should never duplicate the conversions or split the conversion details. In simple tracking care, in simple taking care of all the above directly impact the conversion rates. So this one also I have explained it to you all already. Campaigns, create campaign, and you'll be selecting website traffic and pick the campaign type, search, right? You have everything with screenshots. You are giving the campaign name. So I'm suggesting not to pick these two things. Uncheck them always. Yeah. Okay. Any questions, guys? You have to go through the top one again. You go launch the campaign, so you'll be able to do it. Okay. So we can start with shopping campaign, or maybe we can start with display campaign, performance max. There are various kinds of campaigns. So today we can probably launch one shopping campaign. We did not launch shopping campaign, right? I showed only to you. Okay. Okay. So if I start display campaign, it might take a lot of time. Okay, shopping campaign, launching shopping campaigns. Okay. See, to launch the shopping campaigns, okay, to shopping campaigns are launched only for the e-commerce businesses. If you are selling any product online, you can launch a shopping campaign. Okay. To launch shopping campaigns, you need to link your Google Ads and Merchant Center accounts. Okay, Merchant Center. Okay. is a platform that allows you to list and manage your products for the Google Shopping. Okay, so Google Shopping, how does it work? Right? Mainly Google Shopping is here. This is Google Shopping. Okay. Okay. There are lot of such details available, right? Not just. Were you all aware of Google Shopping earlier? Ever shopped on Google Shopping? Shopped. Okay. Merchant Center, I think we have discussed, right, in the previous classes. One time only. How many times? See, if you are not understanding it, if you don't know how it is, or if you are facing problem while implementing it, we will discuss it. Not a problem. Okay. Yes. Huh? Yes. Later we have to link the Google Ads, right? So here, what is needed? It's very easy to understand here. So you can, sorry, yeah, launching shopping campaigns are launched only for the e-commerce businesses. If you are selling any product online, you can launch a shopping campaign. To launch a shopping campaign, you need to link your Google Ads and Merchant Center account. Merchant Center is a platform that allows you to list and manage your products for Google Shopping. Next is fourth point is it's very unlike very unlike to that of the search campaigns. You don't have to write any ad copies or have to add any keywords to your campaign, right? Beautiful, right? You don't need any keywords, you don't need any ad copies. These are the ads, whatever is there, these are the ads. It directly comes all the data or information, all the ad copy data or information comes from the merchant center. Just make sure the titles or information on the merchant center is appropriate and to the best. Correct? In these types of campaigns. Also, you still need the negatives to be added. In fact, negatives play a crucial role as the keywords are the as the keywords are any word of the product title that's coming from the merchant center and which has a potential to trigger for few thousands of generic and unwanted keywords. Hence, adding as many negatives as possible on a regular basis at both the account level and the campaign level is super important. Understood this point? Here you are not adding any keywords, but the product names themselves are the keywords. See? So this is product name, right? Pela Vadiyalu. This is product name. You see so lengthy it is, and it is taken in broad. It can rank for anything, right? And hence negatives take utmost priority here, right? The campaign settings type and the objectives remain same as that of the settings type, targeting, and the objectives remain same as that of the search campaigns. Okay. Okay, how do we launch these campaigns? Let's go to the Google Ads and see how to launch them. Yeah. So we haven't launched any of this, right? We can launch Srikakulam Appadalu, Fish and Papad. Srikakulam Appadalu, if it is not launched, we'll launch. Okay. So let's go to the campaigns. I think Srikakulam Appadalu we have launched. Okay, anyways, so let's go to the campaigns, all campaigns. I can click on campaigns here also, all campaigns. Yeah. Okay, so look at the naming nomenclature. We are putting in the south because we are targeting the south cities. Okay. Srikakulam Appadalu. Okay, Srikakulam Appadalu is not there. So click on this plus, new campaign. So here I'm going to pick website traffic, and you want screenshots. Click on this. Huh? I already told you whatever you pick. See, if you are opting for sales, see, you know if traffic is coming to the website, you know how to convert it, correct? So now Google is just utilizing that information that has a weakness from your end, and it starts imposing special conditions on you. Like, for example, if you tell I am ready to spend 100 rupees per sale, you will say to Google, Google, I want, you will pick option as sales, and you will so Google now ask you how much are you, when you pick sales, it asks you how much are you willing to spend per sale. You will be picking, you will be giving it as 100 rupees per sale, because you are spending some, selling something at 10,000 rupees or maybe 4,000 rupees, and 100 rupees is not a big deal for you, correct? Now Google says, boss, 100 rupees is very less for me, you give me at least 200 rupees or 300 rupees. Google will start bargaining with you, correct? Otherwise I'll not get any kind of sale to you. It suggests to place it at 200, you will change it to 200 rupees. Now Google is taking 200 and giving sale to you, right? There are two different types of problems here. See, by selling a product worth 4,000 rupees, you are making only 200 rupees, you are making only 200 rupees profit by selling 4,000 rupees worth product. Giving 100 rupees to Google and keeping 100 rupees with you is okay, kind of. Now, if you are giving 200 rupees to Google only, what will you give to digital marketer? What will you give to various other investments that you are doing in marketing, sales, in in-house team speaking to customers, right? Website, technical investments, right? There's so many other kinds of expense or investments. So this is one problem, right? In case if you are not selecting it as a sales or leads, sales and leads both are same again. You are asking, you are telling directly, I want sales, I want leads. Google is telling, okay, you want sales, you want leads, okay. Give me 500 rupees per lead or 500 rupees per sale. I will give a sale to you, right? Right? Now, let's take another scenario, traffic to the website. Each click is costing you 2 rupees. If you are getting 20 clicks to the website, it's costing you 40 rupees, right? And you are telling to Google straight away, boss, I know, let me get the quality traffic to my website. I know if 20 people are coming to my website, I'll be able to close at least one sale. So if from 120 people, if you're closing one sale, how much is the cost per acquisition or cost per lead? 40 rupees. Each is 20 rupees. Each click is costing you 2 rupees. So 20 people into 2 rupees, 40 rupees. So you got the same sale at 40 rupees on your own. When you took the option sale or lead, Google is telling, boss, pay me at least 100 rupees for each sale and lead. You close your eyes, you do whatever you want, I will get, you just relax, I will get a sale for you. But Google says, but it again depends on your optimization, keywords and various other things. It's not like that. But Google is somehow taking control over you. It's trying to assess, understand your weakness. Better you tell, boss, don't worry, I want only quality traffic, lots of traffic, I know what to do with the traffic. You understand, right, how you can. See, now it's not true that you will always get a sale at 40 rupees. Each click is costing 2 rupees. If you are getting one sale in 20 clicks, cost is 40 rupees. But if you are getting one sale in 200 clicks, your cost per acquisition or cost per lead is going to be 400 rupees. There is the advantage and disadvantage both. If your website is extremely good, see, if your website already has a disadvantage, it applies to your lead generation or sale campaign also. See, your lead and sale ultimately again depends on your website, correct? See, Google carelessly, shamelessly says, I was not able to get a sale for you at this price. It keeps consuming the way it has to, it will consume. There is no guarantee. See, now even after putting 200 rupees, even after informing, I want a sale to be happening at 200 rupees, there is no guarantee that Google will get a sale to you at 200 rupees. It keeps consuming. It says, what should I do? Your website is not good. Your web page is not loading. Your forms are not getting submitted properly. What should I do? Correct? True, right? Your website is not at all loading. Basically, what do you understand from this? Google is not really getting a sale to you at 200 rupees. It's just collecting the information from you and trying to charge more from you. Clear? Clear, everybody? Huh? Huh?
The competitors are doing the sales.
How will you know if competitors are doing sales and leads? See, people would do. See, Google want intentionally. See, earlier there was nothing as such. This objectives and all were not at all there. There were two, later came in only two, traffic and awareness. Awareness is for display marketing. Your image will be shown everywhere across the internet. That is awareness. Traffic to the website. Only two campaigns. Google smartly started playing. Okay. So it started understanding your weakness and it starts imposing things accordingly. Got it? So competitor, like even competitor would be doing sales. It's the same thing. It's just collecting the information, your weaknesses. Again, it functions the same way. I'll tell you. So when it collects information that you are telling, I need sale. See, Google is not giving much importance to your keywords now. It might rank you for lesser competitive keywords in lesser competitive segments in lower rankings. It just tries to get a sale, but it doesn't. It still functions the same way. It has to get traffic from the keywords only, right? But it again, it's just collecting information and now consumes. Even though it was capable of getting you sale at a lesser price, it will not. One second. Hello. Okay. Next is, what is the next thing you're going to do is next step. Next step. So here, just click on continue. In the next step, you will be picking the campaign type as shopping. Okay. So if you are launching a shopping campaign, see, for service industries, this is not applicable. Service industries will never launch a hair transplantation clinic, will never be able to pick the shopping until and unless they have products selling. If they are selling any products on their website, e-commerce, then they can make use of this shopping campaign. Otherwise, no use. Okay. So shopping also you have picked, just continue. Oh. Merchant center account. You have to select the merchant center account. That's the third step. Okay. So I am going to select this one, which is clearly showing Kantra Foods Private Limited. I am running the campaigns for Kantra Foods only. Right? Right? You will be selecting the merchant center account. Select the account. You have linked the merchant center and Google. That's also very easy, which I think I have shown it to you all. If not shown, I will be showing again. Okay. So let me pick this campaign. Performance Max campaign. Don't go with Performance Max campaign. Go with standard campaign. Gets the best Google automation to reach customers across all channels. So you want only search, but Google is displaying you everywhere. Correct. Always avoid Performance Max if you are building on Google search only. Okay. Next. What is next? Very simple. Nothing much in this. You have to give the campaign name, ad group name, select which products and select negative. That's all done. Okay. So in the next 2 minutes, we are going to launch this campaign. Doesn't even take 2 minutes. Okay. Enter campaign name, Srikakulam Appadalu _ South. Appadalu Shopping South. It's for my reference. I'm just adding this. Okay. Maximize click. Set a maximum cost per click. Maximum cost per click is 1 rupee, or maybe you can set 2 rupees. Okay. Budget, I don't want to spend more than 100 rupees a day. Okay. Right. And here include Google search partners. Eliminate it. Eliminate all of that. Okay. So I'll just take 2 screenshots here. Okay. budget and locations, any location of your choice, whole country, whole India, whole Bangalore, whatever you want to do, you can do with it. Okay, so it's very clean here with screenshots. You should be able to do it easily. Okay, so now enter the locations. My locations are Bangalore, include Hyderabad, include, and then Chennai, include. Okay, so add group name Appadalu products. So after this, there are only two steps left. One is selecting of those products for which you want to show ads and adding negatives. Okay, so create campaign. Your campaign is now created. Next thing you have to do is select those products. Yeah, here. See, by default, this 1300 or 1400, see 1500 products. See, you have launched a campaign for Appadalu, but this includes products like Kajaya, Adirasam, oil, sweet snacks, everything, right? So I have to eliminate all other products. So what I'll do is I'll just pick those products, product, item ID, anything, okay? So mine is Srikakulam Appadalu. Nuvul Appadalu, Srikakulam Appadalu both mean the same. Okay, I'll try one more. Srikakulam Appadalu, Srikakulam Appadalu. Okay, so all this. See, I'm selecting only those products which are related to it. Save without editing bits. Oh, I could have taken a screenshot of this. Shit. Okay, that was fun. Okay, so now I'll be pausing everything else. I've selected only products which I want, and everything else I have paused it. Right? See, it shows not eligible 1700 and 111 all are eligible, correct? Item, okay, so the next immediate thing that you have to do is let me take screenshot of this. Okay, 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 got it, done. That's all, only negatives have to be added. So what I will do is I'll first quickly go to the negatives. Where are my negatives? My negatives are here under the shared library. I'll go to exclusions list. Okay, I'll go to the negatives, exclusion list. Okay, and then I'll apply the negatives. So I'll apply negatives. So which negatives am I going to apply? One word negatives, one word negatives, shopping ads, negative broad. Just three things. Okay. Apply to campaigns. Huh? I'll show it. So now click on apply negative, apply to campaigns. To which campaign I have to apply? That is Srikakulam Apadalu, which we just launched, correct? Srikakulam Apadalu, Shopping South. Oh shit. And then apply, done. You are done. If you apply this, so I'm applying it to got it. Okay. So done. Negatives, one word negatives, I'll show it to you how it will be. One word negatives like just Appadalu, just Srikakulam. See, I am selling groundnut oil. Okay. So now just one word is oil. Just one word is just groundnuts. Even if I am selling groundnuts, I don't have to show ad for just groundnut, right? By groundnut is the best keyword. Just groundnut, how will I know if he is searching for groundnut meaning or groundnut spelling or really groundnut or groundnut image? So better I will avoid showing ads for one word terms like groundnut, kajaya, Mysore pak, or maybe badusha, badusha, just pencil. So if somebody searching by pencil, I will show ad. If somebody searching just pencil, why will I show ad? People will show, you can show. But we realized you will not get good conversions from one word. If you look into it, all one word will be there. And now shopping ads negative will be like image, picture, video, YouTube, all those kinds of terms. See, benefits, calories, compressor, cooker, download, freezer, fridge, image, in Tamil, in Telugu. Yes, added earlier. We will add more. Like I'll show it to you how to add now. Srikakulam Appadalu, right? Mm, okay, so I can create negative Srikakulam Appadalu also. For that also I will name plus one campaign. Name is Srikakulam. Negatives. What are my Srikakulam Appadalu negatives? Sindhi Papad, Pepper Papad, Sindhi Papad, Pepper Papad, Meenappa, Appadalu. So Srikakulam Appadalu are different. They are made of sesame seeds, till, nuvulu, ellu. Okay, but then Meenappa, Sindh, Pepper, Masala. Okay, all these are different from the top. So I don't want to show ads for all of these things. So I'm adding all of them as negatives. Okay, so I can add negatives in broad, negatives in phrase, or I will remove Papad and Appadalu and I can add it all in broad. Sindhi, Punjabi, people search Punjabi Papad also. Punjabi Papad. So I am applying all of this. I am creating negatives like this. So first you should have to understand what is a negative. Where is Srikakulam negative now? So I will select this and apply to campaigns. To which campaign am I applying this? I am applying it to Srikakulam Appadalu. So I'll take screenshot of this also. Not favorites. Apply. Okay. See, now this is applied to only 5 keywords and applied to only one campaign. Correct? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Any questions? If there are no questions, we'll wind it up for today. Understood, right? It's clear for all of you. Search campaigns, please try them once. In case if you are not clear, let me know. We will launch them in the upcoming classes. We have a lot many other campaigns to launch. Okay. Fine then. Let's connect back tomorrow. Yeah. See you all of you till then. Bye.